You're probably wondering how I manifest all of my dreams. In this video, I'm going to show you guys all of my tips and tricks, the things that I use, the books that I use, and the vision boards I've created. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to Self Mastery Mentor. As you know, my name is KUDWA, and this video we are talking about my tips and tricks that I use to manifest. So, as you guys have seen in my other video, my success stories, there are some big and some small that I've shared with you, but also some that I am not exactly opening up to the public, to the channel yet. I will in due time, and when I do, trust me, you will want to hear those ones because they're pretty big. But make sure you check that video out if you guys haven't seen it. So in this video, we're talking about how we manifest our dreams, right? So first things first, you guys, I want you to create a vision board. This is my vision board. This is my most recent vision board. I have two copies, one that's regular printed out paper and one that's hieroglyphic. I have also made a copy of that on my computer. Check it out, it's my background. You're probably wondering why I have this vision board 3 times and why do I have it everywhere? Well, the more that you are seeing your manifestations, the easier and easier and easier it is to come in because you're constantly looking at it. It's constantly in your awareness. And by having it in your awareness, you're more in alignment then to see things like this on your vision board. So, if you haven't made a vision board, one of the first places you can go to do that is Canva. I actually use Canva app for a lot of things for my channel, and it's really helped me kind of like put the pictures together, create something that's aesthetically pleasing, and also just kind of like have fun with it and make it like a little maze. You can make your vision board in any way. Some people print them out, some people cut stuff out of magazines or print pictures online. People put quotes with it, different things like that. My last vision board actually had a quote about learning your self-worth, and that was one of the things I wanted to manifest. So it did actually happen for me, but I put the quote on the board because that was like the new me I wanted to create myself into. So if you guys want to do like a mix between text and photos, you can do that as well. It's just about having your visions there in front of you, envisioning your dreams, looking at them every day, making them a part of your awareness. Make sure you do that. That's the first thing. The next thing that I do, you guys, to manifest my dreams is scripting. This is going to be very plain, very simple, just in a little diary. It can be any kind. It can be a little pocketbook, anything. Just have somewhere where you write down your manifestations. I do this every morning, as you guys can see, and I manifest, even if it's just something small, as much as I can. And basically when I manifest, when you're scripting, you want to say, I am grateful for blank. And where the blank goes is whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. It's also things that you currently have. When you're putting yourself into alignment, when you're showing a state of gratitude, you're naturally raising your vibration up to put yourself in alignment with the things that you desire. And we get there by putting ourselves in a flow state, as you know. So in order to get to a flow state, we have to raise our vibrations up to get into alignment with that new life. So here, I'm gonna give you guys a couple examples where I did the I am grateful for. So I'll say right here, I am so grateful for my new course, blah, 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 blah. I am so grateful for my family, and I keep going on, and then at the very end of my letter, I script and say, I am grateful for, and then the things that I want to manifest. So the sale of my condo, the new home, these different things that are on my vision board, you write those out and you write a letter to the universe stating that you're grateful as if you had already received it. Because when you have already received something, right, you're no longer desiring it, you're no longer needing it, you're no longer wanting it because you've already achieved that goal. So now it's just a part of your new reality. So when you're scripting, you want to write as if those manifestations of yours are already a part of your reality. When they're your reality, you release the resistance to them and it's easier for them to come in. It's kind of like when you want something really bad and you're almost like begging for it. Nobody wants to give it to you. But when you want something and you just kind of like mind your own business about it, other people want to give that thing to you. Other people want to, because you're not chasing after it and it's not so sought after in your life. Because that's the resistance we build up to things when we really, really want them. So when you're saying grateful and you're, almost putting yourself in a state as if you've already received it, that's when it's going to come in for you quicker. So even if you just do this very simply, it doesn't have to be a big notebook, but just wake up in the morning and write the things you're grateful for, or right before you go to bed. Make sure you're spending some time on really making it a reality. And this is the same as if you're trying to manifest your goals and your dreams, right? They want you to write out your goals. Why is that? Because when we put things into our awareness, we're more likely to achieve them and see them and receive them, because we are putting ourselves in a place to receive certain opportunities, or to be aware of opportunities or events that might be around us and lead us to that thing that we're seeking. So the next thing that I use to manifest my desires is actually my weekly appointment book. This is my workbook that I published earlier this year, and it goes through my goals, my struggles, my successes, internal, external relationships, mental and emotional review, raising vibrations, and my notes. So this workbook really helps me with manifesting my dreams, because it helps me get out a lot of the negative things that you go through throughout your week, negative experiences, certain relationships that you want to cure and get stronger. And as you're working on those things, you're kind of getting yourself checked in with yourself again. It's like refreshed. And when you do that, you're releasing a lot of the negative energy that we often hold on to and carry with us week after week. And the more that we're not carrying around baggage or, negative energy or things like that, we can move ourselves a little bit easier into the new things that we want, into the new reality that we're seeking. And the next thing that I have here for you guys is my manifestation magnet workbook. This is the one that I created, and I do not actually currently sell it on my channel. I only sell it with my programs. But basically what it is it goes through a whole month, day after day, of what you're grateful for, what you're grateful for receiving, your emotions and certain activities, and then we go over the review of those activities. And so you do that every single day, and then you do a review at the end. And these things have really helped me with my manifestations. I don't meditate all the time. I really do try to meditate as much as I can and really put myself into alignment with that emotion, but it's very hard for me to find the time right now. And when I do get myself in that state, it doesn't need to be 5 or 10 minutes of sitting down and meditating and making it a whole ordeal. It's just more so putting yourself in the place of feeling the emotion of the thing you're looking to achieve and receive. So if it's love, for example, and you're trying to manifest your dream partner, put yourself in a place where you're just thinking about it for a second. You're feeling that emotion. You are imagining what it would feel like and what it would be like if you had that person. It's just putting yourself in that emotion as if it's real. The same thing goes for money. Money does seem to flow to me easily when I do want it. And I believe it's because I've always had the mindset of money comes easily to me. I love money. Money flows to me, blah, 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 blah. And I've always had very good emotions towards towards money. And because of that, I've always been able to be replenished throughout life. And I truly believe that law of attraction is your own emotion towards things, your own perspective towards things. And that's what we then perceive, that's what we then receive, because that's what we're in alignment with. So the more that you guys are trying to manifest things and certain desires, make sure that you're checking in with your emotions on the things that you're trying to manifest. Make sure that you're checking in with your thought processes and your attitudes towards those things you're trying to manifest. If you're telling yourself, I will never be a millionaire, you are probably right. You will never be a millionaire because you are already shooting yourself down. If you tell yourself you are never going to be an entrepreneur or this, that, or you'll never have the guy of your dreams or the girl of your dreams or they don't exist, you are already stopping yourself from receiving it. And guess what? If you don't believe in it, nobody's gonna wanna hire you to do that job. Nobody's gonna wanna date you to be that boyfriend. Nobody's gonna wanna be with you when you have limiting beliefs for yourself and hold yourself back from thinking and believing and knowing and trusting that you can literally have everything you want. It's really just a mindset, it's a mentality, and so you're only gonna be capped at a certain place. If you're trying to manifest a better life for yourself, you have to know that, you have to trust that, and when other people see that quality in you, that you believe in yourself, you become more attractive and you become more appealing, and opportunities just flock to you and come to you. So law of attraction is really just all about your mindset. And so I really want you guys to focus on your mindset if you're looking to manifest. This is all I do, is I really just focus on making myself a vision board, making myself a visualization of everything that I want, the embodiment of what I want. And you can have multiple going. You can put one on your laptop, you can put it on your phone, you can do whatever, but just having the visualization of the things that you're looking to achieve is the most important. So vision board, number one. Number two, we do scripting, which I've told you about, is when we're saying we're grateful for the things that we're looking to manifest. You're grateful for those things on your vision board. And then also my workbook, just to clear your energy and clear your space and really get yourself into alignment by getting rid of toxicities and getting rid of negative things. And then also my 30-day manifestation magnet workbook, just really getting me in that constant reminder, constant activity, constant flow of bringing everything in. Then we have meditating. It does not have to be a long time. It doesn't have to be 30 minutes. Just you practicing the emotion of loving that thing that you've always wanted, and also focusing on your mindset and having a very positive mindset, you guys. Mindset's everything. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope these tips helped you in your manifestation journey, and I will talk to you guys very soon.